Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So this week I want to talk about storage room organization. When we're talking about storage rooms, we're really talking about them as being the heart of your home from an organization standpoint. When we start looking at organization systems in a house, we often figure out, okay, where is the main organization system for this household? Oftentimes it's in a basement storage area or a closet or an HVAC room. And that's a great place for us to start with containing items that you do need to have, but they don't need to be out in other spaces in the home. Once we can clear this area out and make it super efficient, it provides so much clarity in other areas of the home. So I would recommend starting in those storage basement type areas, especially if you are in the midst of the winter and you're not really going outside. It's a great time to really look at the heart of your storage and get to it. So yeah, this week's Just the Tip. How is your storage room doing? Let us know and I'll talk to you again next week.